Hybridization in organic molecules. Carbon with 4 single bonds, that means 4 sigma bonds, is sp3 hybridized. Carbon with 1 double bond, or you can say 3 sigma 1 pi bond, sp2 hybridized. Carbon with a triple bond, or you can say 2 double bonds, means 2 sigma and 2 pi bonds case. In this case it is going to be sp hybridization. Carbon sp3, sp2, sp only, no other hybridizations are possible for carbon. We'll go with few examples. C, when they mention like this, let us say this is double bond, this is triple bond. This is having one bond only, so this is sp3 carbon. It is having a double bond, so this is sp2 carbon. This carbon is also sp2. This carbon is having single bonds, that means it is having remaining 2 hydrogens. There is no need to check them. It's having a triple bond. It is also having a triple bond. CH2 double bond, C double bond, CH2. In this case, this carbon is sp. You see both sides 2 double bonds are there. And this is sp2. This is also sp2. Benzene, if you see, in benzene, all carbons are sp2 because each carbon double bond is there. For this carbon double bond, for this carbon, okay, now if you see this side double bond is there, if you see this side double bond is there, double bond, double bond. So definitely for each carbon there is a double bond, so all carbons are going to be sp2 hybridized in benzene. But interestingly, one exception is there. I just wanted to mention you this exception. This you see, it is called benzyne. In benzyne, actually there is a triple bond, but both these places are considered as sp2. Why? Actually hybridization is hypothetical. What we are feeling that you are saying, okay, hybridization is going to be completely hypothetical. So the concept of taking here sp2 is, if it is sp carbon must be linear. If the sp carbon is going to be linear, it cannot form a ring. Okay, you can see here clearly ring. If it is sp, this bond should not go here. It should come here and it should go here. That means it should be a linear. This part should be linear. When it is linear, it cannot form a 6-member ring. So in this kind of cases, okay, now where such kind of trigonal planar, otherwise trigonal type of geometry is there, in all these kind of cases it must be sp2 only. Okay, now only 2 bonds if you are taking cycloalkanes type of cases, there you can say sp3 also. But sp you cannot take here. If it is sp, the bond should go straight. That means this ring is not possible. That's why in benzene we consider both these carbons as sp2. One very important question in your regular examinations. Okay, now benzene, all carbons are sp2 only. Don't take these 2 carbons as sp. Okay, now your first option will be like that only. 4 carbons sp2, remain 2 carbons sp. Blindly we go with that option because we can see here triple bond, and we know that triple bond carbons are always sp hybridized. Here one very specialty is hybridized orbitals form a pi bond. Okay, now generally hybrid orbitals form always sigma bond only. That is one important point. But here in this case, hybridized orbitals form a pi bond also. So benzene, all carbons are sp2 like benzene only. One very important exception.